Gotta get a hold of his ears.
Gain control of your hands, woman. Yeah, I know, they're crazy.
Oh, what is it, Logan? Oh, it's a trap. Okay, we gotta open it.
Oh.
What a ham.
I missed
Are you
it.
hamming it up? Here, send it around. There you go.
Okay, Logan, let's open it up. Yeah, let's open it up. Okay, how do we open? Open here, it says. Oh, you're gonna have to go tell your daddy to do that one. Here, because that's those plastic child's play.